Construction accidents in Phoenix. Construction accidents can alter the course of a person's life in the flash of an eye. They routinely cause serious injuries that forever impact victims and their families, and sometimes even result in death. When you are faced with a construction accident, you'll need the help of a talented accident attorney to assist you in receiving the compensation you deserve. More often than not, victims of construction accidents are construction workers themselves. Because they rely on good health for their livelihood, injured construction workers suffer repercussions far beyond pain and suffering. A serious construction accident can take away from victims their very ability to provide for their family. Simplifying your construction accident claim. Construction sites are somewhat more dangerous than other workplaces. Worker error, unsafe conditions, and inadequate training all give rise to construction accidents. Moreover, employers sometimes place high expectations on workers, which can lead to fatigue, overexertion, and ultimately injury. Where victims of construction accidents are not themselves to blame, they deserve to be compensated as fully as possible. While Arizona is a workers' compensation state, oftentimes there are third parties who are responsible for the injury. An experienced construction accident attorney can help you navigate through these complex issues. Construction accidents and OSHA standards. Congress passed the Occupational Safety and Health Act, OSHA, to protect employers. It aims to keep all workplaces free from safety hazards and ensure that employees are properly and adequately trained to perform their job. The inherently dangerous nature of construction sites makes OSHA a particularly relevant piece of legislation for employees of construction firms. OSHA standards cover a vast range of issues relevant to construction companies. Among other things, OSHA standards require that dangerous materials be dealt with properly, that companies regularly maintain their equipment, and that proper first aid and protective equipment is made readily available. Employees that question whether the company for which they work is abiding by OSHA standards have a legal right to request an OSHA inspection. Employees should be able to request an OSHA inspection or file an OSHA complaint without fear of retaliation from their employer. Employees who are disciplined or terminated for dealing with OSHA may have grounds to bring legal action against their employer. In this event, it's important to hire the lawyer most qualified to get you the results you deserve. Get compensated for your injury. At Jackson White Law, our AZ personal injury law team knows how frustrating it can be to suffer an on-the-job accident. Between medical bills, missed work, and paperwork, a construction accident is one of the most pressing industry issues we see. That's why we're committed to simplifying the process and making it easier for you to receive compensation. Call personal injury attorney Jared Everton at 4805-269835 to discuss your case today.